Hello, welcome to Ajs Academy. In this class we are gonna learn about comments. First we will cover theory and in last, we will practically see how the comments work. In computer programming, a comment is a programmer-readable explanation or annotation in the source code of a program. They are added to make the source code easier for humans to understand. Comments are not executed by the compiler and interpreter. In C language there are two types of comments. One is single-line comment, and the other one is multi-line comment. Single-line comment is started with two forward slashes. However, multi-line comments are started with forward slash steric and ends with steric forward slash. Now let's go to the Dev C++ screen to test how the comments actually work. So this is the program we wrote in last class. And I am going to add comments to understand how they actually work. And are they really ignored by the interpreter? First of all, I am going to add single-line comment and compile it. And you will see how that it will be discarded and can't be compiled. So it's ignored and the program worked properly. Now let's try multi-line comment. And it is also discarded. So hope you understood how the comments actually work. So if you like this video, like, share, and for any query comment below in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe.